No, just a quick video. I got my Kioti CS 2510 ready for winter. Got my Category 1 Pat's Easy Change couplers, whatever you call them. Hydraulic top link. This is a real sweet little thing. It was only a couple $100. That was nice. Got the chains all installed. This tractor also has what do you call it? Cruise control, which is this button right here. I got my Burco snowblower, fully hydraulic with the hydraulic chute control, and boy, can this thing move snow, let me tell you. That's my dealer who installed it for me. Burco's made in Canada. This is a commercial grade blower. It's the kind that some towns will buy to clear their sidewalks with, so they put a lot of miles on something like this. It also has hydraulic down pressure. I can lift my front end of my tractor right off the ground if I need to scrape. There she is. Like I said, just a quick video, nothing crazy. Yeah, maybe I'll start up, show you how the blower goes up and down. There she goes. The wheels off the ground. Of course, you always run these in float anyways. Really nice rig. Really nice rig. My last tractor had a snowblower on it, but it wasn't near the monster this thing is. Anyways, that's about it. Yeah, I paid extra for those armrests on my seat, and they fold up nicely. Nice chains. I've also got the rim guard in my tires. That's about it.